when I try to sell 2 American Gold Eagles and they think I'm a rookie. There's a major change going on our local level when it comes to buying and selling gold. This is what's happening. Oh, first, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest, every month. It's free. Click that link. You should be the next winner on this list. There was a short time ago, and when I say short, I mean 1-2 years ago, when the premium for these gold eagles was more than half of what it is today. I could pick up, certainly at a coin show, at a local coin show, I could pick up American Gold Eagles for $70 over spot, even less. And that's just a blink of an eye, 1-2 years ago. That has doubled now. Doubled. The going rate on the local level for an American Gold Eagle is $150 over spot. It is a bullion. This is bullion. This is gold bullion. It's not a collector's item. $150 over spot. That is just an enormous premium to pay. Now, many dealers will try to excuse this by stating, well, nobody's coming in to buy silver on the local level, which is true. Stackers have pulled back. We're not buying silver like we typically do on the local level. So therefore, the dealer needs to make up for that with an increased premium. I don't buy that excuse. Number one, my pushback against that is that many of these dealers are getting silver now with this wide silver to gold ratio. They're getting it by swapping out 1 ounce of gold. They'll swap it out for at least 100 ounces of silver with no premium on that. So they're getting silver. And then they could sell that for a premium on top of it. So business is still running as usual. Now, when I walked into local shops to try to sell these two, to try to sell 2 ounces of gold, I know that I paid 70, maybe less over spot for these. And the buyback that I'm being offered is $150 under spot. 150 under. That is a painful buyback. Now, as stackers, we tend to just ignore the buyback. We don't want to think about it. We don't. We assume that we're never going to have to cash out. I've been stacking forever. And there's plenty of times. I see this as a savings account. I've always seen silver and gold as a smart savings account. So yes, I need to turn that into cash. I do. And when I do, I know what I paid for it. So the buyback is important. It really is. In fact, I would suggest that certainly gold, if you're buying gold at this all-time high, I really suggest that you take notes, some kind of note somewhere, so you know how much you paid over spot, what premium you paid, because premiums change all the time. Look at American Silver Eagles. 18 months, 2 years ago, those $15 premiums that we had for American Silver Eagles, and now those premiums have completely collapsed. So premiums change. They really do. And we are experiencing that for gold. So when I went in to sell these 2 American Gold Eagles and I was told $150 for 2 Eagles, that's $300. I'm out. $300 gone. Meanwhile, the premium I paid for it was nowhere close to that. So we really need to look closely at these numbers. Click that link in the description. Get your own silver, 20 American Silver Eagles. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. I love this contest. It's a lot of fun. Click that link. You should be taking home that silver. I'll see you in the next video.